Welcome back. We've got a couple of special guests in studio this morning from the SEK Humane Society, of course. Kelsey Keeney joining us, and an old friend. We have Betty back in the house. Thank you for joining us, both of you.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
Tell us a little bit about Betty.
Yes, so she is a 9-year-old black lab mix. She is one of our elder dogs, but it's very hard to tell with how much energy she has this morning. She does fine in a home with kids. She's been to multiple events with small children and does well with them. She just needs to go to a home where there's no other animals so she can get all of the attention.
Yes, she does require a little bit of attention. I've noticed that this morning. But knows her commands really well too. I've told her to sit and turn around and
Oh yeah.
Very well behaved dog. Very happy dog for sure.
Very smart. She only wants to listen to everybody else this morning, not me for some reason. But she does know how to sit on command and shake her paw and apparently turn around, which we just learned.
That was pretty awesome. All right, maybe we can get a good shot here of Betty. How do you guys come up with the names for the dogs that you have?
Well, for dogs, we try to go with more like human names for them. And so like usually we get some in that have been like returned or they were already in a household with a name that they grew up with, and usually we'll just stick with that since they know it and know some commands with that. But for all others, we just kind of like make it a fun game and see who comes up with the best, like funniest name.
Yeah. Recently we sent our reporter Yana out to visit with the new beagles that you guys have.
Oh yeah.
She was telling us about the names that you guys gave them too, so that's pretty cool. You guys have a big adoption event coming up this Sunday, part of the Little Balkans Day Festival.
Yes. So we are going to be at Little Balkans, I believe at Lakeside from 1 to 5, and we're going to bring 2 to 3 dogs there, and they will have no adoption fees, so their fees will be waived, and they just need to look for their forever home, so hopefully we can find them there.
Let's talk about the adoption process. If you were to go out there, first of all, when are you guys open, and do you need an appointment or?
Yeah, so during the week we're by appointment only, but on the weekends we're open Saturdays noon to 4 and then Sundays 1 to 4.
All right. And say you did find the pet that you want to give a forever home to. What do you need to bring certain paperwork or?
Yes, so we do require you to bring proof of vaccinations if you have other animals in the household. And then if you have other dogs and you're trying to get another dog, we do require a meet and greet. So you bring yours out to meet the shelter dog of your choice, and we just see how they do first before sending them home.
Okay. And then you can take your doggy home.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you don't mind, we'd love to have you stick around for our Fox show.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Can you stick around? Will you behave for us, Betty? Of course. Yes, that was the answer we needed. All right, we will be right back.